and we're here on the Cool Cooking Kids Cooking Show! Today we will be making a microwave mug cake. We have a guest star today. Please welcome Chef Brosephine.
Yes, thank you very much.
Alright, let's get started with some of our ingredients.
Ingredients you will be needing: white milk, preferably 2%, flour, sugar, canola oil, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, and baking spray for the mug.
We also have some leftover icing from sugar cookies.
Let's get started!
Started!
Woo! Now, we've never made this before, so hopefully it turns out. Let's see how it turned out. Well, I guess it looks like cake.
Hey, let's check out our cake.
If it comes out. Okay. Losing faith a little bit. It's a cake! I think we need to cook it for longer. Just a sec.
If it's not cooked enough, put it back in the microwave.
Yes! So, like I said, we've never done this before. Practice makes perfect. Let's try again. Let's hope it's better this time. Well, let's eat it.
Doesn't that look delicious?
It's fine. We have icing. Alright, I'll be the first to admit it may not look beautiful, but let's see if it tastes good.
Chef Brosephine, the official tester.
If he can get it in his mouth. Good? How is it?
Tastes like pancakes with icing.
That's not a bad thing.
No, it's not. I thought it was just... I would say that was just a surprise.
What? Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
It may not have looked good, but it passes the taste test. 8 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Pancakes with icing. You heard it here.
Oh,
All
Go
right.
make some. Go make some.
that was a success. Though, don't eat half the cake at once. It is pretty hot.
Maybe let it cool a little.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you for watching the Cool Cooking Kids Cooking Show.
This message is approved by Chef Brosephine.
See you next time.
Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. If you do end up trying to make a microwave mug cake like we did, please comment a picture of it below. Let's see how good you guys are at cooking and compared to us.